Welcome to the world of batteries. This series is powered by Clarios, the home of Varta Automotive. In this episode, we will learn the most sustainable way to manage 12-volt batteries after use. So we'll answer the question from episode 2. Do you know what happens when a battery reaches the end of its life? In the past, when a battery stopped working, people often threw it away. This created pollution because chemical could leak into the soil and water. Back then, to make a new battery, companies had to dig up fresh raw materials again and again. This one-way system is called a linear economy. You take, you use, and you throw away. Today, we follow a circular economy where we collect old batteries, recycle their materials, and use them to make new ones. This creates a loop instead of waste. In a 12-volt battery, up to 99% of all materials can be recycled and used again. That's why lead-acid batteries are now among the most recycled products in the world, more than cans or paper. But do you know how we transform an old battery into a new one? 3 main materials can be recycled from a used battery: lead, acid, and plastic, along with other minerals. Used lead parts are melted and turned into new lead pieces called lead ingots for new batteries. From the battery acid, we take out sodium sulfate, which is used to make cleaning products. Old plastic cases are shredded into pellets, melted, and shaped into new battery cases. With the recovered lead and plastic, we can build a brand new battery. More than 8,000 batteries are recycled every hour, every day, thanks to Clarios' circular economy. This helps protect our planet and improves people's quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, you might wonder what it's like to work in this field. We'll explore that in the next episode.